In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger domain to Framer. Start by opening your project in Framer. From the project canvas, click the highlighted project menu and open Site Settings. Inside Settings, head to the General section, then switch to the Domains area. This is where all domain configuration happens for your site. On the Domains page, you'll see the URL field, along with status and version. Click into the URL to review how your site address will appear. Check status to understand whether a domain is connected and verified yet, and open version to confirm you're setting this up for the correct build of your site. Next, choose Custom. This tells Framer you're connecting a domain you already own, such as one purchased through Hostinger, rather than registering a new one through Framer. You'll also notice options to claim a free custom domain. If you click that, Framer will prompt you to buy a yearly plan to unlock the discount and then let you click Claim a Domain. That's handy if you want Framer to manage your registration. Since we're focusing on a Hostinger domain, we'll stay with the custom option. For SEO, open the Canonical URL and set it to the primary version of your domain, like your root domain or the www version, whichever you want search engines to treat as the main address for your site. Then click Setup to continue. You'll land on the domain overview, where you'll see a note that advanced hosting features are available once a custom domain is connected. That's a good sign you're in the right place. Click Add Domain and enter your Hostinger domain. Framer will provide the exact records you need to configure, typically A and CNAME records. At this stage, you'll use Hostinger's DNS editor to add those records to your domain. Be sure the names and values match exactly, and give DNS changes some time to propagate. If you're unsure which variant to use, pick one canonical version, root or www, and redirect the other to it for consistency. Once your domain is added, go back to your project and click Publish. Publishing pushes your latest version live and, combined with the correct DNS records, allows Framer to verify your connection. If verification doesn't succeed right away, don't worry. DNS can take a bit to update. Check the status panel again after a short wait, and you should see your Hostinger domain connected and your site live on its custom address.